Hello everyone. Now in the classification of numbers, how we have classified the numbers first as the natural numbers. So natural numbers are denoted by n and they are 1, 2, 3 and so on. Then the next classification is the whole number, and the whole numbers are represented by W and they are 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. The third classification is the integers. So integers are denoted by Z. They are having the negative numbers 0 and the positive number. Then the fourth type of numbers which we are having, they are said to be the rational numbers. So the rational numbers are represented by Q and they are the number in the form P upon Q, where P and Q belongs to integers and Q is not equal to 0. Now from this what we are getting, that all the natural numbers are whole numbers. So all the natural numbers are whole numbers and all the whole numbers are integers. So the natural number as well as the whole numbers, they are said to be the integers. And all the integers are the rational numbers. So what does it mean? कि rational numbers are the numbers which we have studied till now. वो सारे नंबर जो अभी तक हमने पढ़े हैं वो सारे क्या हैं? रैशनल नंबर है. Natural number is a rational number. Whole number is a rational number. Integer is also a rational number. So we are all the numbers which we are having till now, we have studied till now, they all are said to be the rational number. Natural number उसको कवर कर लेता है whole number को कवर कर लेता है integer और integer को कवर कर लेता है rational number. So all the numbers are rational numbers. Now we are having one more type of numbers. They are said to be the irrational numbers. What are they? They are the irrational Now the next type of numbers which we are having are irrational numbers. So how we can define these irrational numbers? Numbers which are not rational. अब rational क्या होते हैं? Numbers which are not rational. वो number जो rational नहीं है वो क्या कहलाएंगे? Irrational number. अब कैसे number? You must have seen the number like √2, √3, pi, 1.01, 001, 0001, and so on. So these type of numbers, they are said to be the irrational numbers. So in short, what we can write is the numbers which cannot be written in the form P upon Q. Numbers which cannot be written in the form P upon Q, where P and Q belongs to integers and Q is not equal to 0. Then they are said to be the irrational numbers. So what are the irrational numbers? Numbers which cannot be written in the form P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0, then they are said to be the irrational number. Now you are having √2. We can write √2 as √2 upon 1. But if this number is integer, so here P is not integer though Q is integer. So we are unable to write this √2 in the form P upon Q, where both P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. एक condition नहीं satisfy हो रही कि Q is integer. Hence this number is not a rational number and we call this number as irrational number. Now see here, we are having the different numbers. 2, 3, plus 22, minus 2, minus 21, minus 15, 17, 11 by 18, 0, 9, minus 19 by minus 2. So this is a rational number, rational number, rational number, integer, and integer is also rational. So all these numbers, है ना, natural हो, whole हो, जो भी हो, integer हो, so all together they are said to be the rational number. क्या बोल रहे हैं हम इनको? Rational numbers. And along with this rational numbers, if we are having root 2, root 3, pi, so then this combination, ये क्या हो गया? ये combination क्या है? ये पूरा सेट क्या था? ये पूरा सेट था किसका? रैशनल नंबर का. यानी नेचुरल, होल, इंटीजर, ये सारे नंबर्स क्या है? रैशनल नंबर्स हैं, बिकॉज दे कैन बी रिटन इन द फॉर्म p अपॉन q. They can be written in the form p upon q, where p and q belongs to integers and q is not equal to 0. And these numbers, this cannot be written. इनको हम नहीं लिख पा रहे और इनको हम बोल रहे हैं irrational number. Why we are calling them as irrational? Because these numbers cannot be written in the form p upon q, where p and q belongs to integer and q is not equal to 0. तो हमारे पास दो तरह के नंबर हो गए, रैशनल नंबर्स एंड इरेशनल नंबर. एंड द combination of both of these numbers, इस पूरे combination को हम क्या बोलते हैं? What we call them as the real numbers. So what we call them as the real numbers. So thus, what are the real numbers? Real numbers are the collection of all rational numbers and irrational numbers. So thus, we can define real numbers as the combination of rational numbers and the irrational numbers. And what are rational numbers? Numbers which can be written in the form p upon q, where p and q are integers, q is not equal to 0. For example, 2, 0, minus 11 by 2. And irrational numbers are the numbers which cannot be written in the form p upon q, where p and q belongs to integer and q is not equal to 0. For example, root 2, root 3, pi, etc. Now we will define this rational and irrational number in from another point of view. We will define these two numbers with the help of the decimal representation. How we will define? We will define these numbers as in terms of the decimal representation. Clear? Now, suppose we are taking one rational number 1 by 2. What is the decimal expansion of this? So you know how to find this. 2 से आप divide करोगे 1 को. So what you are getting? 0.5. मिल रहा है? Now 1 by 2 is a rational number and its decimal representation is 0.5. Now similarly 1 by 3, its decimal representation will be कितना होगा? इसका decimal representation हो जाएगा 0.1 से डिवाइड 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे 1 को तो 0.333 डैश 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 डैश. तो हम इसको कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? 0.3 बार. तो यहाँ पे ये डेसिमल रिप्रेजेंटेशन क्या हो रहा है? टर्मिनेट हो जा रहा है. और यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? इट इज नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग, लेकिन क्या हो रहा है? रिपीट हो रहा है. सो क्लियर है? सो दिस टाइप ऑफ व्हेन द डेसिमल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ अ नंबर इज टर्मिनेटिंग और नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिपीटिंग, then it is said to be the rational number. तब हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं? रैशनल बोलते हैं. अब इधर आओ, root 2. Now what is the decimal representation of this root 2? We know that it is 1.41432 dash 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 है, आपने किया था। अब यहाँ पे देखो, ना तो ये खत्म हो रहा है और ना ये रिपीट हो रहा है ना। यहाँ पे ये 5 पे आके स्टॉप हो गया, उसके आगे नहीं हम कर रहे। क्लियर? मीन्स व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग रिमाइंडर इज 0। अब हम इसके आगे नहीं बढ़ पा रहे हैं। यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है, रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आ रहा है और ये नंबर बार बार क्या हो रहा है, रिपीट हो रहा है। सो इफ द डेसिमल रिप्रेजेंटेशन इज टर्मिनेटिंग, इसको कहते हैं टर्मिनेटिंग, और यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिपीटिंग, खत्म नहीं हो रहा है लेकिन रिपीट हो रहा है। तो इसको दिस टाइप ऑफ नंबर्स आर सेड टू बी द, क्या बोलेंगे हम उनको, रैशनल नंबर्स। ओके, एंड इफ द डेसिमल रिप्रेजेंटेशन इज non-terminating, non-repeating, then it is said to be, yes, then that number whose decimal representation is non-terminating, non-repeating, it's said to be the irrational number. Now let us revise what I taught you. So real numbers are the combination of the rational numbers and the irrational numbers. And now I am defining the rational numbers in terms of the decimal representation. किसके टर्म्स में बता रहे हैं, डेसिमल रिप्रेजेंटेशन के टर्म्स। पहले किस वे में बताए थे, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ p/q. नाउ अ रैशनल नंबर whose decimal representation is terminating और नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिपीटिंग, मतलब खत्म नहीं हो रहा लेकिन रिपीट हो रहा है, वी कॉल दिस एज रिकरिंग, उसको रिकरिंग भी बोलते हैं। When the number is non-terminating repeating, it is also called as the recurring number. Okay. So a number whose decimal representation is terminating or non-terminating repeating. 0.5 terminating है, 0.256 terminating है, 0.3 बार terminate नहीं हो रहा है लेकिन repeat हो रहा है, 0.375 बार मतलब 0.3757575 dash dash dash, यानी टर्मिनेट नहीं हो रहा है लेकिन ये 75 रिपीट होते जा रहा है। तो इन नंबर्स को हम क्या बोलेंगे, दे आर सेड टू बी द रैशनल नंबर्स। एंड व्हाट अबाउट द इर्रेशनल नंबर्स? सो द इर्रेशनल नंबर्स आर द नंबर्स हुज डेसिमल रिप्रेजेंटेशन इज नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग, नॉन रिपीटिंग, ना टर्मिनेट हो रहा है ना रिपीट हो रहा है। नाउ लुक एट द एग्जांपल, 0.12 12 122 122। तो देखो 2 रिपीट 2 है लेकिन वो रिपीट नहीं हो रहा है। एक बार क्या हुआ, 1 2 आया, फिर 2 2 आया, फिर 3 2 आया, मीन्स the term they are not terminating or neither they are repeating themselves. So these numbers are said to be the irrational. This number is said to be the irrational number. Similarly, pi, √2, this number 1.20 30 40 50 60 dash dash dash. So रिपीट तो कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा है और ना टर्मिनेट हो रहा है, हेंस दिस नंबर इज आल्सो सेड टू बी द irrational number. So thus we can define rational and irrational numbers in terms of p/q or in terms of the decimal representation. Now let us understand what I mean when I am saying terminating decimal representation. Now suppose 3/8 is our rational number. Now to get the decimal representation, we will divide this 3/8. So here, now 8 3s are 24. So what we will get, 6. This 3 is smaller than 8, so we can't divide, है ना, इसलिए हम क्या करेंगे, पहले उसको 0 से डिवाइड करेंगे। 0 से डिवाइड करने के बाद क्या आएगा, ये तो आता है ना डिवीजन आपको। नाउ व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग, देन दिस इज 60. नाउ 6 7 जा 56. नाउ 40 sorry 8 3s are 24, then 60, 8 7 जा 56, so remainder is 40. Now 8 5s are 40. So what we are getting? We are getting the remainder as 0. So when the remainder is 0, it means it is completely divisible and our answer is 0.375. So this is 0.375. So this number is said to be the terminating. क्योंकि terminate हो गया, खत्म हो गया, इससे आगे नहीं आ रहा है, तो हम इसको क्या बोल रहे हैं? Terminating. Terminating का क्या मतलब हुआ कि when we divide the number, then the remainder will be 0 and we will get exact answer for that. So 0.375 है ना? This is said to be the terminating decimal representation. So the decimal representation of this rational number is terminating decimal. Now one more example, 1/3. To get the decimal representation of this, what we will do? We will divide this 3. We will divide this 1/3. So it will be 3 3s are 9 and again 10 we are getting, 3 3s are 9, again 10 we are getting, 3 3s are 9. So this process is repeating. It means हमारा ये जो 3 है वो क्या होगा? आता जाएगा. तो इसी को हम क्या बोलेंगे? 0.333 dash dash dash, or it can be written as 0.3 bar. Now this 0.3 bar, this shows that this 3 is not terminating, but ये क्या हो रहा है? Repeat होता जा रहा है. तो यहाँ पे ये खत्म नहीं हो रहा है, आंसर एग्जैक्ट आंसर नहीं आ रहा है, and we are getting a repeating decimal, repeating number after the decimal. So this is said to be the non-terminating repeating decimal. We will take the next example, and that is a irrational number √2. Now when we are saying, when we are having a √2, what is our decimal representation of irrational number? है ना? हमने क्या बताया था? ये कैसा होता है? नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग एंड नॉन रिपीटिंग. ठीक है. अब √2 कैसे निकालते हैं? डेसिमल के बाद अपन ने zeros लगाए and then we have to make the pair. I think you remember, you have done in the 8th class. Now 1 1s are 1 1 1, the 2 will come 1 0 0, then so 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 96. So again this is 4 0 0 and again this 2 0 will come out, 2 8. याद आया? यहाँ प्लस करके लिखते थे और इनटू यहाँ लिखते थे. ठीक है. देन 3 बड़ा हो जाएगा. देन व्हाट वी हैव टू टेक? 2 भी बड़ा हो जाएगा. 1 1 1 1 जा 1 1 8 जा 8 1 2 जा 2. सो व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग? 282 हियर. यहाँ पे अपन एडिशन लिखते थे एंड द मल्टीप्लिकेशन विल बी रिटन हियर. यहाँ क्या आ रहा है? 1.41. ठीक है. देन दिस इज 9 1 1 0 0. Then 5 4. Now 4 4 ja 16, 4 2 ja 8 9, 4 32, 4 2 ja 8 9 10 11, 1 1 2 9 6. तो कितना आया? 4 0 6. तो 4 1 4 है ना. अब ये हो गया 8 2 8 2. एडिशन किए 6 0. देन अगेन व्हाट वी वांट? अगर हम यहाँ पे 2 करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 2 2 जा 4, 2 8 जा 16, 2 2 जा 4 5, 2 8 जा 16 1, 2 2 जा 4 5. तो 6. देन 9 में से 6 3 13 5 8 3. ठीक है. सो दिस वे वी आर गेटिंग, तो व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग? 1.4142. अब ये ऐसा आता जा रहा है, बट ये ना तो रिपीट हो रहा है और ना टर्मिनेट हो रहा है. सो व्हेन वी आर हैविंग दिस टाइप ऑफ डेसिमल, देन वी आर सेइंग representation, then we are saying it is non-terminating, non-repeating. So by looking at the decimal representation of the number, we can say whether it is a terminating or non-terminating or non-terminating repeating, and accordingly we can find whether it is a rational number or a irrational number. Now just I told you how to convert a rational number or how to get the decimal representation of the rational number. And now we will learn the converse of this. When a decimal number is given, when a terminating or a non-terminating repeating decimal number is given, how we will get the rational number for that number, or how we can write that number in the P by Q form. What I want to tell you, if we are having 0.3, ठीक है, so 0.3 is a decimal number, so we can simply write as 3/10 लिख सकते हैं. तो हमने इसको क्या किया, P by Q फॉर्म में लिखा. Now if it is 0.3 bar या 0.33, then 0.32626 bar. If these types of numbers are there, ये सब क्या है, ये सारे rational numbers हैं. क्यों rational number है? Because our definition says if the number is terminating or non-terminating repeating, then also these numbers are rational numbers. And since the numbers are rational numbers, so all these can be written in the form P by Q. सबको हम P by Q फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. अब हम देखेंगे कि अगर हमारे पास नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिपीटिंग डेसिमल है, तो हाउ वी विल कन्वर्ट इट इनटू अ write that in the form P by Q. Now our first question is we have to convert 0.3 bar in P by Q form. ठीक है, so what we will do, let x equal to 0.3 bar. Now at present how many digits are there after decimal? अगर 3 बार ले रहे हैं तो कितने हुए डेसिमल के बाद, रिपीट नहीं कर रहे हैं, बार के साथ ही काउंट कर रहे हैं, तो कितने हुए 1. तो what we will do, we will multiply 10. Now multiply 10 in x, तो क्या हो जाएगा 10 into 0.3 bar. Now what is 0.3 bar? This is 3 dash dash dash, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 3.3 bar. So what is our 10x? 10x कितना हो गया 3.3 bar. This line is clear? देखो 0.3 बार है, 3 बार का मतलब क्या होता है 0.3 and so on. ठीक है. Now we were multiplying 10 to this x, so it will become 10x. So 10x will be 3.3 bar. Now take this equation as 2 and this is as 1. Now when we are doing 2 minus 1, so what it will become, 10x equal to 3.3 bar and x equal to 0.3 bar. Now if we will subtract these two, इन दोनों equations को subtract करेंगे, तो देखो डेसिमल के बाद वाला जो टर्म है वो क्या हो जाएगा 3 बार, ये हो जाएगा 0, तो कितना आ गया 3. So what we are getting, 9x equal to 3, and from this what we will get, x equal to 3/9, तो कितना आ गया 1/3. So what is 0.3 bar? It is 1/3. In P by Q form, what we can write it? We can write it as 1/3. Now next question is to write 0.25 bar in the form P by Q. Yeah? So what we will take, let x equal to 0.25 bar. Now how many digits are there with the bar? How many digits are there? 1 and 2. बार के साथ अगर हम देखें, क्योंकि बार को अगर नहीं लिखेंगे तो we can write 25 and so. Okay, so with bar how many digits are there? 1 and 2 are there, so we have to multiply it by 100. Now before that I will tell what if we will multiply it by 10. अगर हम उसको 10 से इंटू करते हैं 10x करते हैं, ये क्या हो जाएगा, now when we multiply 0.2525 dash 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 into 10, so this decimal will move one place forward, and what we will get 2.525 bar. Okay, now if we will multiply this by 100, तो 100 में भी कितने प्लेस आगे जाएगा 0.2525 dash 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 into 100, so this will move 2 places. So what we will get as the answer, 25.65 bar. Now if we will subtract 0.25 and this 2.525, the digits after the decimal will become 0. No, they will not, है ना, क्योंकि यहाँ 525 बार है और यहाँ क्या है 25 बार. Now if we will take this one, if we will see this one 100x कितना आया 25.25 बार. अगर हम इसको और इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करें तो व्हाट विल वी गेट द डिजिट आफ्टर द डेसिमल, इट विल बिकम 0। अब हम वही चाह रहे हैं कि जो हमारा डिजिट है आफ्टर डेसिमल इट विल बिकम 0। so what we will do, we will take this as equation 1, this as 2। so what we have to do, 2 minus 1 तो कितना हो गया 100x equal to 25.25 bar and x equal to 0.25 bar। now when we will subtract these two, जब आप इन दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो क्या आएगा 100x 100 माइनस 99 सॉरी 100 माइनस 1 99 है and this will be 25। लेकिन अगर अपन इसको लेते तो क्या ये पॉइंट के बाद 0 आता नहीं आता है ना। तो वी हैव टू चूज दैट नंबर which we will get 0 after the decimal। so now it will become 99x equal to 25। so what will be x 25 by 19। so how we can write 0.25 in the term of p by q, we can write it as 25 upon 99। next question, we have to convert 2.143 bar in as a rational number in the, it is a rational number, we have to write it in the form p by q। so what we will take, let x equal to 2.143 bar। so how many digits are there after the decimal? Total three digits are there। so directly we will multiply by 3। we will take 3 zeros, so it means we will multiply this x by 1000। तो क्या हो जाएगा 2.143 bar into 1000, it will become 2143.142 bar। यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है 2.143 डैश करते हैं तो जब 100 से 1000 से करेंगे तो 3 प्लेस पीछे जाएगा, 3 प्लेस पीछे जाने से हो जाएगा 2.2143.143 bar। now we will take this as second and this is first। so by 2 minus 1 what we will get 1000 is equal to 2143.143 bar and x equal to 2.143 bar। Subtracting triple line x equal to, now after the decimal we will get 01412। so what is our answer? so triple line x equal to 2141, so x equal to 2141 upon triple line।